yeah, right there. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, today's video in front of us is the newest Chirp XL wheel. If you guys are not familiar with the Chirp wheels, I will link my other video in the description box below. And before we do get this out of the box, in the description box right below the video, top link will be the link where you guys can check this product out and their other wheels and read more about it. So let's get this one out of the box. This is their newest one, and this is the XL wheel, which I'm definitely pumped about. And of course, their signature color, which is really, really nice. Kind of an aqua Laguna blue, some people call it, but I call it like an aqua color here. So what's awesome about the Chirp XL is you have 16 millimeters of padding here, as you can see, to keep that back nice and comfortable. The Chirp XL is a 7-inch wide wheel with the spinal canal, which is also foam as well. So let's take a look at it here. Again, we have a nice little give to it here, 16 mil, and then we have padding in the middle for our spinal canal, and then of course, same thing over here. Now the interior portion, of course, is hard, and a very subtle logo imprinted in the foam right there. Definitely looking forward to putting this to use. I've been doing a lot of editing at the desk, a lot of mountain biking, DIY projects around the house, and my back is a little bit tweaked right now. So let's go untweak it. It is a brand new day. Let me jump in front of the camera. Now, forgive me, I'm literally in sweats right now. This is how we do business. So anyway, make a long story short, 2 nights ago, worked out weights, felt great. Yesterday, mountain bike, we're in Colorado, high elevation. I'm looking a little rough. I have had my coffee. Some days you look good, some days you look a little rough. Back is also feeling a little rough from my weight workout, working at the desk, leaning over my mountain bike. You guys get the idea. I am 155 pounds soaking wet, sitting on the Chirp wheel. We're good to go there. Let me go ahead and push my robotic vacuum out of the way so I can get a nice little tunnel going here. So what I like to do is I like to sit on it first, and then I just roll back like this, right here. Whoop, my robotic vacuum's waking up. Hold on. Hey, you be quiet. You be quiet over there. Then I just get it on my mid-back after I kind of slide down. Now, you totally don't have to do that. I just find it easier sitting on it and then rolling down. And then obviously, especially with luxury vinyl flooring, gets a little slippery. I would go shoes or maybe bare feet, not socks. Socks, you might slip a little bit. But even in this position right here, and then just kind of decompressing a little bit as well. And just to be honest, I don't roll for very long, but a good solid like 3 to 5 rolls, especially in the morning time. Goodness gracious. Let me go ahead and sit back a little bit more so you can kind of see my feet, where my feet are. So again, we're gonna come down, plant my feet, and then what I like to do is I like to go all the way back. So I have my head on the Chirp wheel. I put my hands backwards like this, and then what I like to do is I like to breathe in and then push back with my feet as I roll, and then just take it nice and slow. Yeah, there we go. I didn't get any cracks on that one. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. And then go back into your position again. And it's good for your lower back too. So your upper back is on here. My lower back is drooped down, compressing it. Once again, arms back. Breathe in and out right there. Sometimes you'll get, and then roll a little bit further this time. And so there we go. I got a little crack on that one. And then right here on your lower back pocket. And then once again, come back. And if you have a tiltable television, you could actually watch TV or listen to a podcast. Obviously, if you're gonna roll for like 5-10 minutes, but I don't roll typically that long. It's just a nice, good couple. And then sometimes bring your heads back to your head like this, and then just sit here. And you could even sit here midway like this, and then just a full decompression right here. Oh, okay, I'm feeling that one. Just sitting on top. So I'm just literally putting all my upper body weight, decompressing, and my spine's right in the spinal canal. No pressure against my spine, but my body weight is literally going down on top of it, and that feels really good. I'm definitely going to be taking this to Crested Butte. We have a ski trip coming up next week. Oh, yeah, right there. Yep. And then you could just slightly roll back with your back. So what I do is I push a little bit with my legs just to get a nice, and then I come back and I use my weight. I hear my dog barking, I better let her out. And then, yeah, right there, just decompress it. So again, rolling or sitting right here like it on there. And then again, you get your lower back on there. And, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If you haven't watched my other Chirp videos, I have comments on the video all the time where folks are just like, I roll regularly and okay, I feel it really tight right there. Oh boy, yeah. Oh, the upper back was a little messed up right there. Oh, it felt great. Hold on, I got it right there. Oh, come on, yeah. Decompress, baby, decompress. Get it. Oh yeah. I like it. Okay, let me let my dog out real quick. And then getting up, simply, what I like to do, roll it up, and then you can put your fingers on and just simply get up off the ground. So let me show you the difference between the medium wheel. This is my original Chirp wheel right here. This one doesn't have the different color in the canal, but it does have a pad in the canal as well. This is the medium wheel. So let's go ahead and take a look at the difference here from the XL. The camera can pick that up. That is significantly larger in width, as we can see right there. And then the spinal canal isn't as far deep down as well. It goes nice and even here, and then just a little bit of an upturn where the medium original Chirp wheel is a little bit more of deeper of a canal here. Now regarding size difference, it's pretty much the same. The Chirp XL looks a tiny bit like a lip higher, but it's the width that I really like, especially because my back is pretty wide and muscular. So I really like the Chirp XL. It definitely passes my test. If you prefer a more thinner one, then of course the medium size is always great. Now, another thing is I highly recommend, if you are going to be rolling, do it regularly and you'll feel the difference. You don't want to just do this once a month. I mean, sure, you can, but just like any fitness activity, stretching, rolling regularly will help you and the health benefits along with that. So whatever Chirp wheel is for you, directly below in the top link in the description box below will be the Chirp XL wheel, where you guys can read more about it, pick it up yourself. Just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. If you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as tech review videos, DIY projects, house remodeling, van life builds, and more. Check out the channel. Thank you for watching. Your link is once again in the description box below. Have a great day, guys. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.